Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I am taking over for this video. So today we are going to be making some French toast and eggnog with it. First, I'm going to be cracking 2 eggs in the bowl. That didn't go so well. Now I'm going to be adding an egg in eggnog. And no, I did not measure. Time to mix it up, guys. Mix, mix, mix. First, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Let's get this started. Now, we got even more mixing. Let's get to it. Now, I'm going to put the bread in the mix and then put it on the grill. This is going to be so yummy. Alright guys, we're almost done. Little powdered sugar and some syrup. We're ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, comment, and share. Bye.